Alright guys, sorry, just had a laugh to myself. I've been looking on a few different channels on how to, let's say, increase your YouTube video views, and quite a lot of them say you've got to instill a bit of drama into your videos. So here we go then. Alright guys, I'm at the plot and I'm going to make a P-frame today. Follow me along and see how it goes. Yeah, I just can't do this sort of, yeah, whatever. Right, anyway, I got these modular plasticized metal rods. I love them. I think they're better than bamboo, to tell you the truth. They've got all these ridges down the outside. Easy to tie things to them. Things don't slip down. I used it last year, but the mistake I made last year was I did one, and I had two different types of P on it, and they got mixed up, and the weight was so heavy it was falling over. So I do another one. I got the first couple of legs in. They're in quite sturdy, been there for a while. And what I need to do now is stick one of these little Y-shaped joiners on this here, and this one here. Oh, get them on properly. And it's got this little one on top for holding the cross member. And what I want to do, just sort of gauge how long it's going to be. So that one goes there. Might be a bit too long. No, it's not. No, it's not. Never too long. Yeah, that'll do. So I'm just going to pop that in the ground a second. So we'll get them sort of level. Oh. Let's see how that is. Yeah, I'm just going to have a quick look up here a minute. Hang on. Ooh, bit of limbo. Let's make sure the cross member is horizontal. Yeah, ain't too bad actually. That'd be all right. That'll do. Right then, right then. Now, being the tight ass git that I am, I got this twiney type stuff. What do they call it? I don't know. They got a name. Seagrass cord from Lidl's. I think it was $1.99. Now the netting for this is ridiculous. $11.99 this year. So two of these and a bit of string. I'll probably use jute string actually. Yeah, jute. And let's chuck the bits over there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my own netting. Just got to find the end somewhere. Right. Yeah, that'll be okay. That's better actually, because it's not all curly-whirly. And go down. This is where you wish you hadn't untangled it, unravelled it. There we are. Now the stuff I normally buy is 6 inches, so that should be about right. Yeah. Well, let's grab this up in a big ball. Make it easier. Over on itself. Take it down one. Yeah, I'll be right. I'll be right. Right, I'm just going to finish off this bit here. I'm going to get the jute, and I'll turn you off and carry on a bit quicker. Should have done this all the way along really, but whatever. And the reason I like using this jute is when I harvest the peas, I can just chuck the whole lot straight in the compost. The plastic netting, you've got to take the plastic off, haven't you? Oh, God. Go on, get it down. Well, there we are. Nice and rustic, that'll do. Okay then. These are the peas that Ali sent me, they are. Now they're a snow pea and they got the word sweet in the title, but I can't remember what they are. So I'm just going to plonk, I've only got 12 modules and I got 14 string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, that'll be alright. Let's do the middle first, isn't it? Yeah. Quite a few of them are multi-sown actually, yeah, 2s and 3s. Yeah, just going to dip them in here then. Lovely, lovely composty soil under there. Brilliant. Three, 4, 5, 6. Don't have to go up the strings exactly today, because they'll lean over anyway. Here we are then, snow peas in. Quick watering, give them a quick spraying with anti-pigeon grazers. And yeah, I'll find something else to do. Need to fill this bottle up, it's a bit yeah, use all this up then. There we are, all gone. Should keep the little flying rats off for a bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to move Ollie over a little bit as well. I'm going to put Ollie just here. And he can do his job. Earn your keep, buddy, come on. Oh, whoa. Right, Ollie, do your business. Whew. That's better. Well, those sticky-on Velcro pads are about as much use as a chocolate fire guard, or a fart in the breeze, whichever way you want to do it. Anyway, so what I've done, a couple of these little mini awning clamps just to hold the sides back. Got one there, and I shall put one on this one. I've only got my phone, so I can't show you me doing it. That'll be alright. I think the cover will be coming off in a couple of weeks anyway. Just want to get the basil and the few of these softer herbs, or what you call it, less hardy herbs, established, and that'll be it. I want to get these lettuce going. See, Lola Ross has come up. Nothing from. Oh yes, we have. Yes, we have. Expertise is coming up, and looks like there's a few little green dots with a Victorinox as well. Victorinox? No, Victorinus. And as seems to be the norm lately, to wrap up with, we got a few SSPC 2025 shots. This one is from Robert Morley. Yeah, well, it's growing. I'll tell you what, it's quite a cluster of shoots there. I reckon there's going to be quite a few spuds under that one. And next up is a shot from Linda, and her two pieces are springing up as well. I'm going to have to get mine in some bigger pots soon, because I have a feeling so left behind. I know I keep saying this. Let's get the plant sale out the way on Saturday, and I can up my game. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Look after yourselves, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.